Hey everyone, Mr. Gray through IS here, and today is the day of the Lexus Society meet. I have my boy over here, Andrew G Detailing. He's going to help me detail the whip before the meet. As you can tell, it really needs it. That's what driving to work every day will do to you. I'll include some clips of washing it and the drive there and the meet, and this should be a pretty chill video. I hope you enjoy.
Hey yo, take a walk, yeah. Hey yo, take a walk, yeah. Hey yo, take a walk, yeah. Hey yo, take a
Now that's real fancy.
Hey yo, take a
All right, it's in the garage. We're taking a break. It's all done for now. It is damn hot here in Texas, and we are sweating a storm. So catch you in a moment.
That kind of ties things up, doesn't it?
Thank you very much.
We got this nice RC here. I don't have my mic hooked up, but as you can see, the meet's coming to an end. There I am. I'm about to head back and see you in a moment. All right, it is the morning after. I got back at about 12:30 last night. I was pretty exhausted, so I head to bed, and here we are. It was an amazing meet. There were some great people there. I just kind of wanted to do a little walkthrough around the meet, nothing crazy. It was an amazing time. This is the second Lexus Society official meet that I've been to, and huge shout out to Lexus Society and Ghoul ISF on Instagram for putting this together. It was amazing. Great people, great cars, and it's cool to see other people's builds and kind of what they have in mind and what people think about other people's cars. It was awesome. I hope you all enjoyed this style of video. I've never done a Lexus only meet video. My first ever video on my channel was a car meet, but it was kind of some classic cars and some super cars. So I'm definitely going to be making more videos surrounded by Lexus Society meets as I go to more in the future. Please let me know if you'd like to see them. Feel free to check out my Instagram. I'm always on there 24/7. It's Gray3IS. And ask me any questions or DM me if you want to talk. I got some more pictures from the meet on Instagram. yeah, this was a very fun video to make. I hope you all enjoyed. This has been Mr. Gray 3IS, and I'll see you in the next one.